Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. And if today is your first time stopping by, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. So, my lovely, today I'm taking you through how to make a really delicious jollof rice at home, even without any tomatoes. It isn't too difficult to put this together, and the taste of this jollof rice is just incredible. You are going to love every bit of this jollof rice. I have some clean chicken wings here, and these are the vegetables that we will be using. So I took some, as you can see, and then I blended everything and poured half of it onto our chicken wings. All ingredients and measurements will be left in the description box for you. Once that was done, I went in with some chicken stock cube and paprika to give our jollof rice a nice bright color even without tomatoes. This is basil, and then I also went in with some nutmeg as well as a little bit of curry powder, some salt to taste, and I added a bit of water and covered it to cook. After about 10 minutes I came back, and this is what we have here. Look how beautiful and bright our stock is. It is perfect for the jollof rice. So now it is ready. I'm going to remove everything and show you a really tasty way to start your no tomato jollof rice with. I set aside some of the chicken stock, and with the remaining I went ahead and added my onions, carrots and red bell pepper together with a little bit of oil, and then began to steam it. Steaming the vegetables in the chicken stock really gives such a tasty, delicious and flavorful base for our no tomato jollof rice. Once that was cooked, I went in with an immersion blender. If you wish, you can leave it for a bit and then process it in a regular blender. I will continue to blend until I get a smooth consistency like this. Once that is done, let's go and fry our delicious chicken wings. And hello, if you are new to the channel, you are so very much welcome. Please consider to activate your bell. Please hit on your notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you would be notified. Consider joining the family and I would be so grateful. Thank you very much. Once I finished frying the chicken wings, I went in with some bay leaves and then added the pepper blend that I showed you earlier onto our oil. Once it has fried to some point, I will add in some smoked paprika. They say jollof rice we any cocoa kama, and it has a beautiful smoky party flavor. The smoked paprika serves that purpose perfectly. Once that got fried for about 2 minutes, I proceeded to add our chicken infused vegetables blend. And let me take this opportunity to thank you. Thank you so much for coming back to watch. Thank you for leaving a like and commenting on my channel. I couldn't have done it without your support. Now is a good time to add our seasonings. Here with me are some nutmeg, curry powder, Maggi seasoning tablet and some salt to taste. And when you have tasted it and it tastes absolutely delicious, yes, go ahead and scoop a little bit and set aside for now. Now it is ready. I'm going in with my washed rice. Okay, I'm using jasmine rice for this jollof rice. Wash, we will be on country who say tomatoes in cajon. Now go in with the beautiful stock. Stir, add a little bit of water if need be, and then depending on whatever herb you have or is your favorite, go ahead and place one on top to give it a beautiful flavor. I added some basil leaf to my jollof rice. Once everything has been stirred, cover it with some parchment paper and let it steam. On the other side, I have here really well seasoned air fried goat meat. I'll add it in a bowl together with the chicken wings and topped it up with our no tomato delicious stew. Add some chili flakes if you love spice as much as I do, with some thyme and bouillon powder. Now add in green, red and chopped onions for freshness, crunch and a beautiful color to our chicken and goat meat. Stir everything together and the taste of this combo is really a must try. Let's go back and check on our no tomato jollof rice. Me say, me kitchen I say take a look at how beautiful this came out. It singled out perfectly. It is smoky, delicious and absolutely perfect. I paired it with the goat meat and chicken wings together with some Ghana salad. Look how amazing this is. It was so delicious. I hope you do like this recipe. Thank you for leaving me a like. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. And I'll see you in my next upload. Take care. Remain blessed. Bye bye.